To promote your Etsy shop on Pinterest, start by creating a business account on the platform. This will give you access to analytics and other features that can help you grow your shop. First, go to Pinterest and sign up for an account if you do not already have one. Then, claim your Etsy shop by going to the Pinterest settings and selecting Claim Website. Enter your Etsy shop URL and follow the prompts to verify your ownership. Next, optimize your Pinterest profile by adding a profile picture, cover photo, and bio that includes a link to your Etsy shop. Use relevant keywords in your bio to help customers find you when searching for products like yours. Now, create boards that are relevant to your Etsy shop and products. For example, if you sell handmade jewelry, create boards for different types of jewelry, such as earrings, necklaces, and rings. When creating pins, use high-quality images of your products and include a description that includes the price, materials, and a link to your Etsy shop. Use relevant keywords in your descriptions to help your pins show up in search results. You can also use Pinterest Shopping to tag your products directly in your pins, making it easy for customers to purchase from you. To do this, go to your Pinterest settings and select Shopping. Then follow the prompts to set up shopping on your account. Another way to promote your Etsy shop on Pinterest is to participate in group boards. Find group boards that are relevant to your products and request to join. Once you are accepted, you can pin your products to the board, exposing them to a larger audience. Finally, use Pinterest Analytics to track your performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. You can see which pins are performing well, which boards are driving the most traffic, and other valuable insights that can help you grow your Etsy shop. By following these steps, you can effectively promote your Etsy shop on Pinterest and drive more traffic and sales to your business. Remember to always use high-quality images, include relevant keywords, and engage with your audience to get the most out of your Pinterest marketing efforts.